Hello, this is Jolly. I'm here to speak something about web development. Though this is going to be a very basic class so that a simple or a small kid can also learn by watching this video. So there are so many coding language we are using nowadays to create web page. Those are called HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, PHP and so on. There are so many languages are there other than this. So in today's class we are going to learn about HTML, the basic HTML language. So why we are using the HTML language today? To write the HTML code, you need a simple notepad or a text editor. If you are using Windows, then you will get a notepad. If you will use Mac, you will get a text editor. So you no need to install or download any IDE to write your code. You can start immediately. Okay. So before starting the language HTML, I just want to tell how to write it. So to write the HTML code, every time you have to create some tags. So if you are creating the smaller than symbol and the greater than symbol, these are called tags. So I am going to write HTML. So now this is called HTML tag. There are two kinds of tags are there. One is open tag and one is close tag. So HTML is a closed tag. Why we are calling it a closed tag? Because whenever you are starting the HTML tag here, so somewhere it's going to end. And how you are going to close it or end it? By just writing a backslash before writing HTML. By simply giving a backslash. So this is the backslash HTML. So now whatever you are going to write inside this will be your HTML document. Okay, so now our HTML document or HTML tag contain two more tag. One is head. So this is also a close tag, so you have to close it immediately. And a body tag. This also need to be end immediately. So this is a blank web page we created so far. There is nothing in the web page, there is only HTML, head tag and the body tag. So these tags are, you can call certain kind of rule for your websites, which is not going to visible in your browser, but it's going to put a major effect. Okay, now I'm going to insert another tag inside head, which is called title tag. So why I am writing it, I am going to explain it very soon. I have created a title tag. Now I am going to save the file. You can go to file, you can save as directly in your desktop or the path wherever you want to store. Otherwise you can press Ctrl S or Command S to save your file. So here you will get a title. I don't want on title 1, I want to be like first web page. .html, which is important. The .html is the extension of the file. If you will not save your text editor or notepad as a .html file, it will get saved as .txt format, that means text file. It will not open as a browser. But if you want your web page should open in a browser, then you have to save your file with the extension called .html. So I am giving the path as desktop and my encoding is UTF-8 and I am going to save the file. Okay, so I saved it in the desktop so that I should get my first web page in the desktop. Yes, here I got the page. Now I am going to open it in the Safari. Okay, so this is my first web page. See, and yeah, I am going to insert some title. like FIRST first. Now save the file. Each time you have to save your file, otherwise the content will not visible in the browser. Now go and refresh your file and see. The file name got changed. The file name was first web page, but now it got changed to the title. So the title tag we are using to give the title for our browser, not the headline, not for some other stuff. We are writing the title tag to give a name for your web page. So every time your web page should be meaningful to others. Like once you will upload it, the users should understand why you are giving or what's the benefit of the web page. Yes, now we are going to fill the content of the web page. So the complete white space is going to be the body. So whatever we are going to fill, we have to write inside the body tag. So first I am going to create a tag called h1. H1 tag we are normally using to write a headline. So yeah, this is also a close tag, so we have to close the headline. So now I am going to write a headline. Now save it, go and refresh the web page, and now see, you got the headline here. Okay, so now we are going to create one more tag which is called P. P is for paragraph. So this is also a close tag, we are going to close it. This is my paragraph. I am here to talk about HTML. So paragraph is nothing but combination of some lines. So now just go and refresh and see what you will get. Now you got a paragraph under the headline. So for writing a headline, the tag is h1, and for the paragraph, the tag will be p. Now we have created two basic tags to fill the content. Now see, the tags are not visible in the web page, but the content, whatever you are writing inside the tag, is visible in your browser. So just remember, so the tags are the rules and these are the content. To show you an example, now see, I am just writing some garbage here and I am just saving the file. Just go and refresh it and see, you got the garbage. You are writing after the HTML tag. I told whatever you are going to write inside the HTML tag is going to be your HTML body. Actually, HTML doesn't work just like this. So whatever content you will write, the content will be visible in your browser. This is a small web page, so that's why you are not getting any error. But when you will create a very vast or a very big web page, this small mistake will give you bugs or errors. So don't do this kind of mistakes. Okay, now yeah, I will just explain you what is the benefit of the closing tag. Now just delete the close tag of h1. Now save it, go and check what will happen to a web page. See, you got your paragraph as a headline because these tags are the rules. That means the headline is not ending here. So to end the headline, you have to give the backslash so that the HTML file will understand your paragraph is starting from here. Otherwise, without the closing tag, the paragraph will display like a headline. Okay, so far we discussed about the close tags. Now we are going to discuss about a open tag. So yeah, after the headline, I am going to insert a open tag which is called HR. See, you will get a line after the headline. It's just dividing. The headline and paragraph got divided by the line. Now I am going to write some more paragraphs. Just copy it. I am just going to create some multiple paragraphs. So for creating multiple paragraphs, you need to create the p tag again and again. If you want to fill some content, so write it inside a paragraph, and if you want other content like other piece of content, you have to create another paragraph for that. Now save it and go and check what happened. Okay, now we successfully created 4 paragraphs. Now I will tell after this 2 paragraph I want some line break. Like after this 2 paragraph I have to give some line break. To give line break, You have to create one more open tag which is called BR for break, line break. Just save it and refresh the page. So you got some space here. Okay. So now I will tell I want my paragraph. This portion should be, this part should be bold. The third paragraph, second line should be bold. To make bold, or 1 minute. Yes. So I am just writing a tag called B. B is for bold. So save the file. Don't forget to save it. Now refresh the page. Now see. Third paragraph, second line is in bold font now. It got changed to bold. Exactly like that. You can write I for italic and U for underline one. You can try it by yourself. So there are so many other things are there to learn. So this is a basic HTML page. You just can write, can explore what happened when you delete the tags, when you are deleting the uh, rules, or when you are deleting something. So you can explore, and if you have any doubt you can put it in the comment section, so I will clear it out. Okay, thank you.